You okay, Shimmer? Oh my girl, you okay, honey? You gonna make it? Gonna make it? Oh, you okay? Your sisters are all concerned.
Totally. They're like barking at her.
Look at Sparkle. Look at Sparkle. She's like,
oh no!
what you got going on, girl?
She's like, what are those?